Looking for the best compact router in 2026 that delivers power, speed, and reliability without taking up too much space? Whether you're upgrading your home office, setting up a small apartment, or need a travel-friendly solution, choosing the right compact router can make all the difference. In today's video, we've researched and compared the top 5 best compact routers of 2026 based on performance, coverage, speed, features, and overall value for money. From budget-friendly options to high-performance models packed with the latest Wi-Fi technology, we've got you covered. Make sure to watch until the end to find the perfect router for your needs. And don't forget, all the product links are available in the description below, so you can check current prices and availability. Let's get started. 5. eStyle RTD CB20 upgrade your woodworking game with this powerful cordless trim router, fully compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries. Tool only, battery not included. Designed for precision and performance, it features 5 variable speeds from 10,000 to 28,000 RPM and an adjustable cutting depth up to 24 millimeters, delivering clean, professional results every time. The soft start brushless motor maintains consistent speed under load for smooth, accurate cuts across a variety of materials. Weighing just 2.75 pounds, this compact router offers true cordless freedom and easy maneuverability, while the rubberized grip and built-in LED light ensure comfort and visibility in any workspace. With built-in overload and overheating protection, plus a transparent dust hood that connects to your vacuum for cleaner operation, safety and efficiency come standard. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike, this complete woodworking kit includes 12 router bits, trimmer guide, straight guide, wrenches, and essential accessories, everything you need for trimming, chamfering, grooving, and more right out of the box. 4. Avid Power Arm 186. Power up your woodworking projects with this high-performance trim router featuring a 630 watts 5.3 amp motor that delivers strong, consistent power with smooth operation and minimal vibration. Designed for durability, the built-in air vents help prevent overheating and motor burnout during extended use, while replacement carbon brushes ensure long-lasting performance. With an impressive 35,000 RPM, you can complete cutting, routing, slotting, grooving, trimming door hinges, and detailed edge work quickly and efficiently. It comes equipped with 3 guide modes, including a straight guide and roller guide, giving you precision and versatility for intricate tasks. The smooth depth adjustment system allows accurate height control, and the secure fixed base ensures stable positioning for clean, professional results. This palm router includes a 1/4 inch collet, 5 1/4 inch shank router bits, and essential accessories, making installation and bit changes quick and easy with the included wrenches. Lightweight, corded, and designed with a comfortable rubber grip, this ergonomic router gives you maximum control and flexibility for every woodworking project. 3. Propilant DCR079 battery not included. This trim router is a bare tool only and is fully compatible with Milwaukee Tool M18 18-volt batteries, perfect for anyone already invested in the M18 system. Powered by a high-performance 800-watt brushless motor, delivering up to 30,000 RPM, it cuts effortlessly through hardwoods and composites while running cooler and lasting longer under heavy workloads. With 6 adjustable speed settings from 3,000 to 30,000 RPM, you get total control for precision edging, trimming, chamfering, slot cutting, and template work. The solid aluminum base ensures superior stability and smooth, accurate cuts every time. Plus, you'll receive a bonus 1/4 inch 6-piece bit set, everything you need to start shaping professional quality edges right out of the box. Built for serious DIYers and pros who demand power, control, and durability in one compact, cordless router. 2. 2Win 3702. Upgrade your woodworking game with this powerful 800-watt handheld router, delivering an impressive 30,000 RPM for smooth, precise routing and trimming every time. Built with high-quality aluminum and durable plastic, this compact wood router is designed for accuracy and stability. Featuring a transparent base for a clear view of your cutting edge and straight guides that stay firmly in place without deformation. The adjustable lift knob and easy-to-read scale give you full control over depth settings, making every project effortless. It comes complete with 15 durable tungsten carbide router bits neatly organized in a wooden index case, perfect for edging, trimming, grooving, veining, chamfering, curve cutting, and more. Ideal for wood processing, cabinet making, handicrafts, plastic sheeting, veneer work, and DIY projects. This versatile router kit also includes a straight guide, trimming guide, wrenches, carbon brushes, bolts, screws, and a router bit organizer. Everything you need, whether you're a professional carpenter or a passionate hobbyist. One ThinkWork W61116. Upgrade your woodworking projects with this powerful 6.5 amp compact router. Built with a max 1.25 HP motor that delivers the strength and durability you need to cut through a variety of materials with ease. The variable speed control dial ranges from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, allowing you to perfectly match the speed to your specific application for clean, precise results every time. Designed for easy operation, the clear plastic fixed base improves visibility while trimming, and the smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system ensures accurate and effortless control. Its ergonomic, rubber-covered handle and compact body provide superior comfort and stability, while the efficient cooling system enhances long-term durability. Perfect for wood trimming, grooving, drilling, cabinet processing, surface finishing, chamfering, curve cutting, pattern processing, and DIY projects. This router is a versatile must-have for any workshop. Plus, it comes as a complete kit, including 15 bonus 1/4-inch shank router bits, sandpapers, guides, collets, tools, a storage bag, and more. Everything you need to get started right out of the box, backed by responsive customer service for total peace of mind. All right, guys, that wraps up our top 5 best compact routers of 2026. Whether you're looking for a travel-friendly router, something powerful for a small apartment, or a compact device that still delivers blazing fast speeds, there's a perfect option on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming tech reviews and comparisons. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices, deals, and full specifications for each router. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.